In 1770, Captain Cook and the crew of the Endeavour stole artefacts. And this is one of the artefacts right here. The shield belonged to Kurnell from the Gweagal, and he's our direct ancestor. And we're here today to let everybody know that we want the return of our ancestors' shield, and it needs to be returned to the family. And that goes with everything that British Museum has that belongs to Aboriginal people. That belongs to our people. It does not belong to the British. It does not belong to the British Museum. These artefacts, they belong in their own homelands. They belong with their people, not halfway across the world over in the British Museum.
Here.
And this shield right here, we are direct ancestors of the man who held this on that day in 1770 when Captain Cook first landed on the shore. And this is what he held, and it was stolen. And it's right here, British own it, and it's about time we get it back.
Here.
We all know that they have a lot of artefacts over there, and our people mourn for them artefacts. It's about time that all them artefacts get returned to the sovereign people of this nation.
Here.
And I'm here to declare today that this shield does not belong to the British Museum. It belongs to the direct ancestors of the man who held it. And they did not give it to the British stole it. And I think it's about time we get all our stuff back.
Here.
And I'm putting everybody on notice that time has come for all our artefacts to get returned. They belong on our land, not nobody else's land. We are the sovereign people, and we deserve all our artefacts to be brought back to our people. So I'm here with my elders today to let everybody know the time has come. All our artefacts are to be returned from the Crown. They don't own it. They were stolen. So it's time for it to be returned.